Hello dear students, my name is Dr. Vishali Ghai and the name of this channel is Tricks by Chemistry. So children, today in continuation with chapter 4 class 11th, we'll talk about the next topic, hybridization. And in this topic, I'm not going to explain you about the theory and the postulates of hybridization. I'll directly tell you how to find or how to predict hybridization if suppose any compound, any formula has been given to you. That means today I'll tell you to calculate the number of hybrid orbital by a very simple trick. If you know the formula, you can easily find the hybrid state. And the formula is X is equals to V, that is valence electron, plus M, that is number of monovalent atoms, minus C plus A divided by 2. Using this formula, you can find the hybrid state of that compound. Now what is this V? Va is basically the number of valence electrons of central atom only. That means here we are going to write the number of valence electron of central atom. Then what is M? M is the number of monovalent. Monovalent means whose valency is 1. कौन से लेंगे? मोनोवेलेंट सराउंडिंग एटम्स, सेंट्रल एटम नहीं लेंगे. We'll take monovalent surrounding atoms. That means we'll count only those surrounding atoms whose valency is 1. So यहाँ कौन से आते हैं? यहाँ basically आते हैं group 1 and group 17 elements. Like halogens we have, like hydrogen we have. So we generally have group 1 or group 17 elements in this M. What is C? C is the charge on cation. Okay, that means if the species is cationic, positive charge, polyatomic, and A. What is A? A is the charge on anion. That means minus charge is written with plus and plus charge is written with minus. So this is our formula. Now the value of X is 2 for Sp. If it comes out to be 3 using this formula, hybrid state would be Sp2. If it would be 4, hybrid state would be Sp3. If it is 5, hybrid state would be Sp3D. If it would be 6, Sp3D2. And finally, if the value of X comes out to be Sp7, then the hybrid state would be Sp3D3. Now the thing is how to apply this concept or this formula. It is used to find the or predict the hybridization and predict the shape. Let us take certain examples. So I'll take very simple example as CH4. The central atom is C. So we need to find the value of X as V plus M minus C plus A divided by 2. What is V out here? V is the number of valence electron for central atom. And central atom is carbon. So carbon ka atomic number is 6. So configuration is 2, 4. So valence electron would be 4. M. How many surrounding atoms are there? There are 4 surrounding atoms. If the surrounding atom is monovalent, yes, hydrogen is monovalent. So M would be 4. Is there any charge on the species? No. So C is 0 as well as A is also 0. Now the value of X comes out to be 4 plus 4 divided by 2. That comes out to be 4. And thus its hybrid state would be Sp3. So this is how, just by using this formula, we have calculated. Let us take certain examples how to find the hybrid state in this case. Okay. Chaliye, next example I am taking is NH3. X. V कितना है? What is the value of V? For nitrogen, V comes out to be 2, 5, that is 5. M is 3, C is 0 and A is 0 as there is no charge. Why M is 3? 3 hydrogen atoms are there. 3 monovalent atoms are there, surrounding atoms. So just put the value 5 plus 3 divided by 2 again comes out to be 4. So hybrid state of ammonia is also Sp3. Let us take another example. CO2. Formula will be same. What is the value of V? V would be 4 for carbon. What is the value of M? M would be 0 as oxygen is not monovalent, it is divalent. So we'll not take M as 2 in the case of oxygen because we need to take only monovalent. Monovalent means one valency, and this oxygen is divalent. There is no charge, so C is 0, A is also 0, and thus it comes out to be 4/2, and that is 2. So hybrid state would be sp. So for methane it is sp3, for ammonia it is sp3, for CO2 it is sp. Let us talk about certain species that contain charge in it. Let us take SO4 minus 2. V for sulfur. Sulfur belongs to 16th group, that means oxygen family. Oxygen का अगर V हमारा 6 है, then sulfur will also be 6. M is 0, C is 0, but A is 2. This time A is the charge of anion, charge on anion. This is species polyatomic anion, so it has 2 charge. So A would be 2. Put the value 6 plus 0 minus 0 plus 2. Minus charge will come with plus sign and plus with minus, ये हमने पहले पढ़ा था, and it comes out to be 8/2, that is 4, and for 4 hybrid state would be sp3. Let us take example of CO3 minus 2. V 4, M 0, C 0, A 2. X 4 plus 0 minus 0 plus 2 divided by 2. 6/2. 3. sp2. Anion हो गए. Cation NH4 plus. Polyatomic cation. V5 M. There are 4 monovalent atoms. 1 C1 A0. Cation is 1 positive charge. Okay. Find the value of X. X comes out to be 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus 0 comes out to be divided by 2. 9 minus 1, 8/2, that is 4, and thus the hybrid state would be sp3. Let us take certain examples containing d orbitals. For example, PCl5. V. Phosphorus belongs to nitrogen family, so its valence electron would be 5. M would be 5 because chlorine is having 1 valency, monovalent. C is 0, A is also 0. So X comes out to be 5 plus 0 minus 0 divided by 2. That comes out to be 5, and thus the hybrid state would be sp3d. SF4. Sulfur belongs to oxygen group, that means group 16. So valency electrons would be 6, M 4, C 0, A 0, and X comes out to be 6 plus 4/2. sp3d, that means 5. Let us take another example, IF7. V is 7, halogen atom. V would be 7, M is 7, C 0, A 0. There are 7 valence electron. Now X comes out to be 7 plus 7/2, that means 7, and thus the hybrid state would be sp3d3. One more example let me take, and then I'll give you some questions that you will write in the comment section. So V is 6, M is 6, C is 0, A is 0. So X comes out to be 6 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 6, sp3d2. So this is how, I think this is the most simplest way. You know the formula and you just put the value and you get the hybridization, how to predict the hybrid state. Certain examples I'm giving you to do at home and write in the comment section. BF3 PCl3, phosphate ion PO4 minus 3, H3O plus and NO3 minus. In case if you find any problem, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel.